project started, this thing started in about 1997. Factory big block truck with the Turbo 400. We had it in final prime. We had the chassis done, the motor, everything laid in it, ready to go to paint in about 2000. And then some circumstances came up and had to part with the truck. Sold it to a friend of mine. He put it away up in his loft for about 21 years. Then a friend of my son's purchased the truck from the guy I sold it to and got the paint finally put on it and changed the motor combination. Thank God he put a LS9 4L80 trans in it. Yeah, we got it back last August finally, and I finished it. Took from August till just about now to put all the pieces back on it. The body itself was just extremely nice. It's really solid. There's no rust in it. It was a dry old pickup. It didn't need rockers, but we put them on since we had it down. But other than that, it's all stock sheet metal. She's making her debut here. Well, I should say second show. First outdoor show, we were in Spokane, Washington in May. Did a big show, indoor show there. It was about 500-600 vehicles there. Did really well. We got first in our class, so that was kind of cool. But no, we've been waiting for this one. We flew to Texas to see what this was all about. We were impressed. Thought we'd head on out, give it a shot. So glad we did.